Create book pages animation like Ali Abdaal in Premiere Pro. Here I imported a cover of a book and 4 pages from it. In the effects panel, search for transform and add it to the top track. Select the top track, which is the cover, and move the playhead to the start. Click on the stopwatch next to position to create a starting keyframe. Hold down the Shift key and press the right arrow key 4 times to go forward 20 frames and drag position first value to the left until the cover is positioned to a place something like mine. Now we have this animation. Select both keyframes, right-click on one of them, and add ease in and ease out to them to smoothen the animation. Expand the position and drag the first handle to the right to add more curves to the line. Now search for drop shadow and add it to the top track. Set opacity to 100, direction to 180, distance to 10, and softness to 100. Now move the playhead to the start, then move the playhead 5 frames forward. Drag the next layer to the playhead position. Do this process for all the pages except the last page. Now select the top layer and press Ctrl+C to copy its attributes. Then select other pages except the last one, right-click on one of them, and select Paste Attributes. Check the Transform and Drop Shadow checkboxes and click OK. And now we have this page's effect, and it's time to zoom into the last page. First, adjust the size of the pages to start when the cover starts. Now create a new adjustment layer with default settings and drag it above all the layers. Search for Transform and add it to the adjustment layer. Move the playhead a little forward after the first animation starts. Click on Stopwatch next to Scale to create a starting keyframe. Now move the playhead to the position when the last page animation is completed and increase zoom to around 200. Select both keyframes and add ease in and ease out to them. You can adjust the position of the keyframes if you're not happy with the animation. Also, I created a background and use it here, and I downloaded a page sound effect and I use it at the start of the animation. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.